Once on the verge of demolition, downtown Spokane's historic Fox Theater opens its new doors to a new name, a new look, and a new generation of fans. Good evening, I'm Dave Erickson. John Langler is off tonight. The Fox's multi-million-dollar renovation took 2 years to the month to complete, and KXLY4's Janet O is live downtown at the Fox tonight. And Janet, can you describe the excitement out there right now?
Well, Dave, if you just take a look over my shoulder, you can see the lights are back on at the Fox Theater, and right now a lot of the state and local dignitaries are getting their first tour inside the Fox Theater. Just an hour ago, Governor Gregoire had the honor of cutting the ribbon, signaling the official reopening of the Martin Wolson Theater. Now, the Fox closed its doors 2 years ago. If you remember what it looked like then, this is what it looks like now. Every detail inside, from the Art Deco murals to the light fixtures, are restored to look exactly as it did when it was first designed.
People that come through, you know, the constant refrain is, it's amazing. And you know, it's just so much fun to watch people come in and remember what it was like, and then to see what it's like now, and the jaws drop. So it's very exciting.
Well, today is just the beginning of what's to come. The Fox Theater is expected to generate $16 million into the local economy every year. Now, if you want to come down here and check out the Fox Theater for yourself, you can do that tomorrow starting from noon until 8 p.m. Dave?
All right, Janet, thanks a lot. So here's a quick rundown of the opening events at the Fox. Today and tomorrow, the Spokane Symphony performs, and Sunday is Community Day. KXLY4's Mike Gonzalez and Kalai Chuck will help with those festivities. Then on Monday night, the silky smooth voice of Tony Bennett will perform. And then looking toward Tuesday, that's when the Spokane Jazz Orchestra will be on stage.